Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 4, sorting data. This chapter is divided into 4 lessons: sorting data, row limiting clause, substitution variables, and the last lesson, define and verify commands. Here in the first lesson we are going to learn how to sort data. In the previous lessons, we learned how to write a select statement that contains 3 clauses. Select a clause where you specify the column list, from a clause where you specify the tables containing those columns, and the where clause where you specify the condition or the conditions to filter or to restrict the output returned by the select statement. Here we are going to learn a new clause, which is the order by clause. Without sorting the data or without using the order by clause in the select statement, Oracle returns the output randomly. So if we want to return the output ordered by, for example, department ID, we can use in this case the order by clause. We can extend our select statement to include a new clause, which is the order by clause. Here we have select, and then we can specify the column list, from, and then you specify the table containing those columns. And here we can specify the where condition or where clause, and you can specify one or more than one condition. And the last clause, which is the order by clause, and you can order the output by specific column or by specific expression, or you can specify numeric position for the column in ascending order or in descending order. The default, if you don't specify ascending or descending, the default is ascending order. This is the default, ascending order. Let's have a look at this example. Here, select last name, job ID, department ID, salary from table employees, where department ID equal 90. Without using order by clause, if you run the select statement, Oracle randomly returns the output without any order. But if we want to order the output, for example, by salary in descending order, as we can see, the output sorted or ordered by the salary in descending order. The high value, as we can see, comes first. Here in example 2, select location underscore ID, street address, city from table locations, order by 1. You can specify the name of the column or the position of the column. Order by 1 means the first column in the select statement, which is location underscore ID. If you specify 2, that means the second column in the select statement, street address. Order by 3 means the third column in the select statement, which is in this case the city. If you specify order by 4, because here in our select statement we have only 3 columns, if you put order by 4, it will return an error. So as we can see here, the output order by the location ID by default in ascending order. If you don't specify ascending or descending, as we can see, the output order by the location ID in ascending order. The low value, as we can see, come first. 1000 comes before 1100 and so on. Here in the third example, select last name, department ID, salary from table employees, where salary greater than or equal 12,000, order by department ID, descending salary. So as we can see here, we have 2 level sorting. Order by first the department ID in descending order, and in the second level, order by the salary in ascending order, because we don't specify here ascending or descending. Order by the salary in ascending order. So first thing, Oracle will sort the data by the department ID in descending order, means the high value comes first. As we can see, the high value comes first. 110 comes before 100, comes before 90, and so on. As we can see here, we have here department ID 90. The second level of sorting by the salary. If more than one record have the same department ID, as we can see here, department 90, and department 90. Oracle in this case will sort these records having the same department ID by using the salary in ascending order, means the low value comes first. As we can see here, the low value comes first. 17,000 comes before 24,000. Here, as we can see, these 3 records having the same department ID 80. The second level of sorting by using the salary in ascending order. The low value, as we can see, comes first. 12,000 comes before 13,500, comes before 14,000. So Oracle first sort the output by the department ID in descending order. If more than one record having the same department ID, those records will be sorted by using the salary in ascending order. Here in the last example, example 4, select star from table regions, order by 2. As we can see here, we are using star, and here we are using 2. 2 means the second column in the select statement. But here, as we can see, we are using star, not column list. So in this case, Oracle will go to the table regions. As we can see, table regions contains 2 columns. So in this case, Oracle will sort the output by using the second column in the table, which is the region name. So as we can see, the output sorted by the second column, which is the region name. The low value comes first, order by 2. Without anything, that means order by 2 in ascending order. So as we can see, the records ordered by the region name in ascending order. So in this lesson, we learned how to sort the data by using order by clause. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.